Hello. Wanted to get on here and show the trades I executed today. I actually only took one. So going into the morning, I had a pretty loose bias. We're at all-time highs. Uh, I was bullish going into the morning just because we've been so bullish the past couple weeks. But going into the morning, we pumped right at open. It actually gave a good setup, but I didn't want to take this because I thought we might manipulate the lows first before going and taking out this high. But once we take out this high, we instantly take out this low. So now my slate is pretty much wiped. Like I'm not looking for anything. I have no draw on liquidity. I just stayed patient. Uh, Following that, didn't really see much here. These shorts didn't look too bad, but this wasn't really any displacement for me. It was kind of just up and down like a sweep of liquidity. However, going into this was actually a lunch session trade. We form these equal lows, right? We come up here. Here's the displacement. This was a 5 minute, I think it was a 5 minute. Yeah, this was a unicorn here. This here is the breaker. Then zoom. So once I saw that, I was very bearish. Zooming in, came in to filled in the top of the fair value gap, had a stop raid, displacement down, and I entered right here. I thought we were gonna flush right away. I entered in this 1 minute fair value gap, but we chopped up for a while. This wasn't too fun of a trade to hold. I'm glad I left a loose stop just because I recognized this fair value gap up here that I thought we could tap into, especially after we consolidate like this. I expected all these equal highs to get manipulated to then go lower, so I actually moved my stop up a little bit. Honestly, I think I should have added in this fair value gap when I saw the initial reaction there, or just waited to enter there in the first place, considering it was lunch and it would give me a way better RR. Although this trade did perform well, it went to the target I had. It was pretty unfortunate. Right when we hit TP1, I moved my stop to just a little bit below break even, just tapped me out right before flooding to my target. It is what it is. It was a good trade. I'm glad I recognized it. This was A plus, honestly. Without the higher time frame draw on liquidity, this internal model was super clean. This is a unicorn inside of a unicorn. You can see here. Here's our breaker. Sorry. So I was super bearish. That's why I was willing to have such a loose stop on this. I do regret not capitalizing up here, recognizing accumulation, manipulation, distribution. This was great, especially for today is a no news Monday, with while we're at all-time highs. So there's no external draw on liquidity that I've been looking for. I had just was looking to trade the internal model. Very happy with this. Maybe I could have left my stop loss right at break even, because I wouldn't have been stopped out, or maybe even just above this little 1 minute order block that hangs over the fair value gap. But overall, great trade. Unfortunate with the TP2, but this was A plus. And zooming out, I don't think that we caught the top of this giant move for the past 2 weeks. If we look at the daily, this is literally like just, this doesn't mean anything. I mean, I think we continue to pump, and we're gonna pump through the high. We're just rebalancing into these fair value gaps. If I take out the fib, mark out the last manipulation here. Oh, it didn't really line up the way I would have liked. But yeah, I could see us coming to the 4, maybe going through that. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at here. Only one trade today. I stayed patient. Only took the. This was pretty much the only quality setup I saw besides that open, which I didn't want to take because these lows looked too clean down here. So, yeah.